Welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery. Let's fix something tonight on a Tuesday night. Yeah, it has been long, but no, I didn't forget you guys. So what we have this 14.2 inch TV HIFI. It was booked in as a USB ports not working. That's what we have to fix. This one plugged. Maybe I can test the voltage, but I know it's working. But we have the problem with some USB ports, you know. Charger plugged. We do have the red light. That's the light for the standby. Let me power on the TV. On. Let's wait. You can see no device. I do have a USB flash, and this flash I must have a light, and we only have one port here. Let me plug in. Zero. Okay. So let's see. That's what we have to fix. Let's see how we can fix such kind of problem. Do we have a fault port, or was it not reading the flash for the reason which I don't know? What I'm checking on USB ports, we have a plus minus and some data pins. So on the plus is coming from a 5 volts regulator, and probably that voltage is missing, or the voltage is there and we have some problem on the data lines, you know. But let's see, maybe we can fix this one. Maybe that must be a quick job, you know. Too many jobs to fix tonight, but let's do it as quick as we can. All screws are out. Okay, we'll take down these legs. Try to fix this one. Yeah, these days is quite low, so we don't have too many jobs. But for those jobs that we are getting, I shall try by all means to do some videos, you know. The top is coming out. Okay, lot of cockroaches inside. Let's take down all the screws and see if we can do something on the ports, you know. I just hope that must be a quick job. Don't want to spend too much time on this one. Okay. So we are inside. Okay, let's take all the connectors out. We only have one USB port. Okay. Let's take out the engine. Take out the engine. That's our engine. What I want to do, I want to plug this connector here. What connector do I want else? Okay, I think we're good. Let's plug the charger. We can see we do have the red light. Let's power on the TV. Green light, our TV is now on. Let's check some voltage here. Straight away on the USB port. Our port looks fine, it's not broken. We do have 5 volts. Okay. Okay, let's unplug this. Those wires, they from a distance they looks okay, but they are not okay. They are not okay. Those wires on the data lines, you think they are okay, but they are not. So all what we have to do is to resolder all these pins, because this port looks okay from inside. All what I want to do is to solder all these wires. After that we can test, you know. It's not hard, nothing hard here, just an easy job, you know. All the pins look soldered. All what is left is to put all back together and test, you know, because if we have 5 volts, it means our driver is working fine, and we have a problem with some tracks, you know. Hopefully that was the problem. Hopefully that was the problem. If not, we have a big problem. Let's put back all together and test again. Okay, let me check the screen. Let me do it. I'm just putting all the connectors, nothing else. After that we can test, you know, because if okay, few screws to hold the screen. Yeah, hopefully that is the only fault, because the port looks okay. What I want to do, I don't want to waste time. Where's my USB? Plug in. Okay. On. Input. Let's wait. I do have a different USB which I want to try. USB. So clearly this USB is fault for some reason. So that was an easy one. There was only some dry tracks. You can see USB 2.0. We don't have remote to open our USB flash, but this job is done. You can see it's no longer writing no device, because the customer is saying he tried with several USB and it's still not working. And that was the data. You know, you have 4 pins on the USB, the plus, which is driving 5 volts from the 5 volts regulator, the minus, and the 2 pins which are data pins. Those pins were not properly soldered. Some dry joints, you know, the customer is playing with some USB, playing at some point the port will become loose, you know. So that was the issue here. So yeah, I'll stop this video now. Obviously I'll put all the screws together, and what can I say? Like, subscribe, And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, you know, for future updates. See you on the next one. Bye.